No, because then what's happening is you're just asking probation to do extra work. I don't know how else to help you.
Let's roll, nerds. Welcome back to Time Served, the channel that scans the so you don't have to. Are you kidding me? You do nothing on probation, continue to use drugs, and then you come in front of Judge Boyd and expect mercy? Nah, not at all. Oh, it's so nice to have Judge Boyd back. You were missed. Isn't it great hearing?
All right, the court is calling to...
Anyway, make sure to tell us if this guy deserves what was coming to him by commenting down below. Like and subscribe, set your notifications to all. Let's roll, nerds.
3 State versus Jonathan Vargas. Can I have parties approach and announce for the record?
Attorney for the state of Texas.
Good morning.
John Foley, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Vargas.
And are you Mr. Vargas?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, are you all ready to proceed? Okay, let me pull up the document. All right, what are the results on the UA?
It came back positive for marijuana.
Okay. And state, what are you requesting?
Revoke his probation, Your Honor, and since it's in the 2 years, THC,
I couldn't.
revoke in 2 years, THC.
Judge, we'd ask a court to either continue Mr. Vargas on deferred or to revoke him and give him regular probation with a jail sanction if necessary. Mr. Vargas is the sole caretaker for his child. He's a stay-at-home dad. He has a business where he mows lawns, but he does that.
I mean, it's like maybe he shouldn't be taking care of his child if he's using. I don't understand why you're coming in and testing positive with the court. And according to this, you've already been sentenced to safety. So there was, who's with your child now? All right, so we have a mom who can take care of your child. So I don't know if there's anything else I can do for you because you've been to safety.
Can you give me another chance?
I don't know how else to help you.
I had stopped smoking prior to me turning myself in, and I know I was told that marijuana stays in your system for a while.
But no, this is not your first motion to revoke.
Correct.
And it's always a motion to revoke for use. And I just don't know what else. I don't know if there's anything else available for you.
Is there any way I could be on probation and get drug tested every week?
No, because then what's happening is you're just asking probation to do extra work, for something that you have done wrong. And you've been on probation in this court since 2019, and there just hasn't been any improvement. I just don't think probation, there's nothing else I can do. What I can tell you is you will receive credit for completion of safety. You'll get credit for that. So
Judge,
yes.
if I may, I think there has been some improvement though, in that he has been voluntarily, I think he's genuinely trying to better himself. That is, he has voluntarily been seeking treatment. He's been going to that treatment. He's successful at that treatment for his heroin addiction. He did slip when he knew he was going to be turning himself in. He I think, was nervous about it, and he smoked marijuana, but he didn't go back. He didn't, regress to go back to the heroin. And I do think he's showing some improvement in that way, Judge.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, give you credit for any time served in inpatient treatment. And counsel, if you get with the clerks, they'll be able to tell you how much time that is.
I'm sorry, Judge.
If you talk to the clerks, they'll be able to tell you how much time he's receiving for credit for the inpatient treatment.
Okay.
There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with the complainant. And I'll ask for the therapeutic community.
Judge, did you say also credit for time served or just for the?
Yes.
Oh, okay, good. Thank you.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Sure.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction and because there's an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over that, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, I can't force them to place you in the therapeutic community. You'll still have to request it, but they'll see where I've requested it. That program is designed to help you with any drug issues you may have. It doesn't increase the amount of time that you're in custody, all right? All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. I don't know, you think we're gonna get snow? Because it's a little bit rainy outside, but it's not really that cold.
Doesn't it have to be below 30 or around 30?
I don't know.
eBay seller. I sell clothes online as well, and then I sell Pokemon.
So what?
Pokemon.
Oh, hey. All righty. I've watched Pokemon. I cannot believe it's 2026. But Sean, how were your holidays?
Judge, my holidays were full
Yeah.
and it was wonderful. How about you? How was the visit with mom?
Oh my gosh, it was fabulous.
But
And you know, when you have babies, the gift that they love the most was the least inexpensive, the noisemaker, right? But it was a lot of fun. It's always great being around family.
yes, everyone's doing well.
Oh, everything. You know what? Everyone is doing great. And I tell you, it always puts things in perspective when you get to go back home. So I'm feeling fabulous.